Hi Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 27th of October. You could have been born the 24th of October. Anyways, this is your compatibility relationship reading, okay? Let's see how compatible you and your person is, okay? Let's go. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and a celebrity tarot reader. And for those of you who are waiting for the demon to possess me, since I keep coming on here and saying I'm a psychic medium, so it's bound to happen I be possessed, your mother pussy is bound to get big after pushing out to you. So stay in your blood clot lane and I'll stay in mine. Anyways, let's see what your desires are today. For the Five of Swords, I'm getting you desire to get back at somebody. I'm getting tit for tat, or I'm getting you want somebody cry. Who we doing? Pisces, you want somebody to cry. So I'm getting you're trying to do everything. You're trying to get secrets. You're trying to bring up something from the past. You're gonna try to mock somebody. I'm getting you do everything. You want somebody to cry. And even if someone cries, their eyes will be still wetter than your pussy when it comes down to intercourse. Because you dry as fuck down there. Let's go again. So your desire is to get back at them. Their desire, nothing. You think someone is not retaliating. Them sweet, them have them head down. They ain't even looking your way. Now this could be something about a Cancer is trying to get back at you. I'm getting a Cancer try for, spite you. I'm getting spite. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This is Pisces reading. Could be a Pisces trying to spite you. Alright? But me getting the water sign don't have any reason to spite you. You want to spite her, or vice versa. The theme is the Seven of Pentacles. It's something about work, something about job. You thief somebody job, you thief somebody work. Are you forging something? I'm getting that's why somebody wants to spite you. Someone's like, okay, I'm going to find a way to get back at you. I'm going to sabotage your work. Something like that. What is the that is your theme. Your theme is work. Your challenge is a Sun card. I'm getting something about a baby, something about a Leo. I'm hearing babies don't work. So this could be something about a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio woman. I'm getting something about your age. Your age. I'm getting babies don't work. I'm getting you're a baby. Or somebody saying your identity. Somebody take your identity and give one baby your identity. Because they must say babies. I'm getting something about babies don't work. Or I'm getting them must say you're too young for work. You can't work. You're supposed to be in school. I'm getting something that a Pisces Cancer did. They're saying that you're too young. You're supposed to go to school. I'm getting you a big woman. So I don't know what they did. Maybe you have really good genes, so somebody can't tell the difference. When I'm hearing babies don't work, I'm getting you're a child, you're supposed to be going back to school. Where's your parents? That's what I'm getting. I'm getting a something one Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio do to you about your age. Something about your age. Your emotional compatibility is a star card. So here's what I'm getting. I'm getting something about somebody want you to be a celebrity, but they're gonna push back your age. Remember there was a big thing about Beyonce. So them never know what Beyonce's real age was. But Beyonce had enough money to kind of shut down the rumors. I'm getting something about your age. Somebody need you to act younger. So I'm getting you look young, you go Hollywood. I'm getting when you go Hollywood, somebody might change your identity and change your age. I'm getting somebody will give you like a 10 to 7 years head start again. So I'm getting one media house that will hire you. For example, I am 31. I'm getting one Pisces or somebody else said, no, she's not 31, she's 17. So that Hollywood can take you. But I'm getting you really 31 years old. I'm getting something about your age. Because I'm getting them saying that they're saying that you're too young for work. But I'm getting when it comes down to like sexual things, I'm okay with it. So you're okay with pedophilia. You're okay if the baby is showing her pussy, but you're not okay if the baby is working a 9-to-5 job, trying to make ends meet, huh? You don't like the fact that there's kids working in Shein and the fucking iPhone fucking factories. You don't like the fact that 8-year-olds are assembling iPhones. You don't want that, but you're okay if the 8-year-old show her pussy and the breast what she don't have. So I'm getting something about pedophilia. Because you're okay if the person is sexual and showing them body. But if them can't work. Because I'm getting you saying that their kids don't work. Or I'm getting you don't want anybody work, you want them just have a baby. You want to use them as a mule, as a dog. I'm getting the only thing you want somebody fights for push out one baby. You want them just push out babies. Maybe you're trying to get someone pregnant so they can't show them body anymore. Maybe that's your goal. I don't know what it is. What's your physical compatibility is a page of swords. You get to have a lot of online followers. A lot of people like you online. Maybe that's why somebody don't want your work. Because they don't want a celebrity in their building. You're either going to get bullied because you're a celebrity. So people are spending more time learning about your life when you don't give a fuck about who they are. Or maybe you're a celebrity. You're being too humble. And I get it that you want it to be a humble celebrity. You want to do philanthropy work. I get it. But the people you're helping are jealous. They're hungry, they're broke, they're impoverished, and they're still jealous of you. So you're going to do philanthropy work as a celebrity. The people in the building don't like you. They're jealous of you. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more. What is your mental compatibility? Yeah, I'm getting you and this person is like this. So I'm getting it's all about your mother-in-law, or it's all about this Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, who is trying to distract you, or someone's like, if she don't have a baby, that means she's going to work all her life. Yeah, but you have a baby and still going to work and put the baby in a daycare. So is that real logic? Or is it what Canadians grade 11 taught you? Great. I don't want you to work. I just want you to have a baby. Right. Right. I want to put you up in a house and I want to take care of you and treat you and spoil you like a queen, and I just want you to have my baby and I'll pay for everything. Right. And Jesus Christ is white. Right. The fucking prisons. Yeah, yes, somebody will hold your blood clot hostage. They're going to leave you barefooted with a shaved off head and with a baby in your stomach. That's what they want. Prison. Yeah, the world card, so you can stop having aspirations to travel the world. Because now you're a mother. I've sold my soul, right? So I'm getting you sell your soul. No babies. You're rather raising children or you're rather career. I'm getting you gonna choose a career over raising kids. I'll be damned if I raise a lame ass nigga's kid. The fuck? You want to be a mother or you want to be a maternal figure to all women everywhere? Because you can either be someone's wife or you can be an inspiration to women everywhere. What you want though? And if he loves you, he will be okay that you're being an inspiration to other women. The only time I'm not okay with that is if I'm jealous of you. How dare you inspire other women to want more than, you know? Yeah, kill them with kindness. Witch doctor and spirit attached. I'm gonna leave it here, Pisces. Until next time, goodbye.